it's Rachel, and I'm so excited to see you today. Guess what? We're going to have a blast learning about shapes. Our first shape today is a circle. Can you say circle with me? Circle! Look at this. It's round and has no corners. Can you find anything in your room that's shaped like a circle? Maybe a clock or a plate? Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. How cool is that? What can you find around you that's shaped like a triangle? Maybe a piece of pizza or a traffic sign. Next up is the square. Say square with me. Square. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Can you find a square shape nearby? Perhaps a picture frame or a chocolate bar. And now, the rectangle. Repeat after me. Rectangle. Rectangly. Rectangles are like squares, but 2 of their sides are longer than the other 2. Can you spot anything rectangular in your room, like a door or a TV screen? Look at this shape. It's an oval. Say oval with me. Oval. Ovals are like stretched out circles. They're smooth and round. Can you find anything oval-shaped, like an egg or a football? Last but not least, the heart shape. Say heart with me. Heart. Hearts are special because they represent love and kindness. Can you find anything heart-shaped around your home, like a toy or a decoration? Learning about shapes is so much fun, isn't it? Shapes are all around us, and now you can spot them in your everyday life. Remember, the more you explore and learn, the smarter you become. Keep having fun and keep learning. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. I'll see you in our next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this shape-tastic video. Bye for now.